In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an outline stroke to text in Fotor. First, open your browser and head to Fotor.com. Log into your account so your work saves properly. Once you're in, you can start fresh by clicking Create a Design, or if you already have something in progress, open your existing project. Either option is fine. The process for adding an outline to text will be the same. Next, go to the text section. You'll see a range of text styles you can use. Choose one that suits your design to add a new text box to the canvas. If you already have text in your image, you don't need to add another box. Just select the existing text instead. Type your message or adjust the words you already have so everything reads the way you want. Click directly on the text box to make sure it's selected. You should see the selection outline or handles appear, which means you're ready to make style changes. Now look at the top toolbar, click Effects, and choose Stroke. Stroke is the outline that sits around your letters, and it can make your text pop against busy backgrounds or create a bold, graphic look. Adjust the color first. Pick a color that contrasts well with your text fill in the background. For example, a white stroke around dark text often improves readability, while a darker stroke around light text provides a clean edge. Then set the thickness. A subtle stroke can refine edges without overpowering the design, while a thicker stroke gives a strong, poster-like effect. Finally, fine-tune the opacity. Lower opacity softens the outline for a more blended, natural look, while full opacity gives you a crisp, solid border. Take a moment to zoom in and out to see how your stroke reads at different sizes. If the placement or size of your text needs tweaking, drag the text box to reposition it and use the corner handles to resize. Keep an eye on alignment and spacing so your design stays balanced. Small adjustments here go a long way toward a polished result. When everything looks right, click Download to save your design. Give it a quick once-over before exporting to make sure colors and stroke thickness appear as intended. If your design includes fine details or small text, a high-quality download format can help keep edges sharp. That's it, simple and effective. You've added a clean stroke to your text in Fotor, giving your design a professional finish.